Afternoon guys, this is Ikies the vlogger again Cebu. Now, I want to illustrate all of you now guys. I want to share how to check this indoor fan motor. Now first, you check this two terminal, the auxiliary fan and the common fan. So now auxiliary fan and the common fan. Now, if there is a resistance reading, that means okay. Then next, the fan speed. This is the low fan and the high fan. This is the low fan and the high fan. Okay, the check first this one. So see, if there is a resistance, that means okay. Now you can use this now. So you can apply. You put the microfarad of this original is 4 microfarad. Now you put this 5 microfarad because it's more excellent. Okay, this one. After this, you put a cord. These two line, the low fan and the high fan. Okay. Okay, the two fan and the line fan. Now, you finish this, connect this cord. Now, you can prepare to choke this. Okay, you put first this electrical tape. This electrical tape now. You put this now. Put first an electrical tape. Okay, later on I will put electrical tape. Thank you for watching the video guys. At salam. God bless.